guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nori, and in my channel I share everything about my weight loss journey. I also do a lot of makeup tutorials, reviews, unboxings, and I even do some plus size fashion try on hauls. So if you like any of that, then consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right guys, so if you've watched any of my old videos, then you know that I've been on a weight loss journey for a while now. I started my YouTube channel, I think 2017, with my weight loss journey, sharing my journey. I'll have a picture up here somewhere. And I've definitely had ups and downs along the way, even another baby in between there. But I've been doing great lately. Ever since the summertime, I've lost about 40 pounds, and I've been sharing that monthly throughout the past months. But during the holiday season, I took a little break from my usual fitness routine. It was intentional. I just decided that I needed to step back a little bit to kind of restart my weight loss, because sometimes you get stale, you feel like you need more motivation. So it was a really nice break, but I was getting a little comfortable, and I of course gained a few pounds. Nothing too bad, but you know, my kind of body, even if I smell carbs, I immediately like get pudgy in my face just smelling them. So I'm back to my regular workout routine and eating low carb. And in today's video, I just wanted to share what, in my opinion, is the best sweatband for weight loss. So over the years, I've tried many sweatbands, very expensive ones, very cheap ones, and this by far has been the best one that I've tried, and is the Sweet Sweat waist trimmer. I did a review on this, I think it was June or July when I first tried it out, but it was more of like an unboxing and first impression, and I said that I would do a follow-up, but I never did. I just never got around to it. And I just wanted to share with you guys, because I have a lot more subscribers now, in case you need some ideas to get motivated during your weight loss journey. I really wanted to share this with you in case you haven't seen that video. So this is the Sweet Sweat waist trimmer, and it comes with, well, it doesn't come with this specific one, but the way that it works, they have this workout enhancer, which is kind of like this substance like that you put on your belly and areas that you specifically want to sweat a lot on and lose fat on, and then you put on your sweatband, and it's supposed to help you sweat a lot. And I've proved it over the last, I don't know how many months since I've had this. The first video that I did on it, I was just kind of getting a first impressions, but definitely when I don't work out with this, the difference is huge. I sweat a lot more with this, and I really do recommend it. I got this sweatband from Amazon, and it cost $21.95, which I think is extremely affordable. Now this right here is a little bit more expensive. This big bottle, I believe, costs $27.95, so it's more expensive than the belt. But just in case you didn't know, if you buy the belt, you do get a trial size of this. So if you just want to try it out and you don't want to spend the money on this huge thing, just get the sweatband, because it does come with a trial size of this, just so you can make sure that you do like it before you go ahead and buy this. But today I'm just going to show you how I use it, how it works for me, and yeah, let's get started. So that's what it looks like once it's on. I apply the gel all over my belly area and around here my sides, and you'll see at the end result. It's crazy how much this makes you sweat. I've exercised, like extreme exercise, without it, and I don't sweat as much, even if I double the time of my exercise. So I'm just gonna do a basic run on my treadmill today, just to kind of get back into the swing of working out. Okay guys, so that was about 36 minutes. You can see I'm so sweaty. I need a second to drink some water. Okay guys, so that was very intense, and I honestly didn't go so hard. I haven't like run on my treadmill for maybe a month or so, So I'm drinking water from this big water bottle. Honestly, this makes me sweat, and I feel like, I know I read about it. I know that based on their description on their site, this enhancer travels up your body, so it makes you sweat all over your body, not just where you applied it. But let me show you the sweat. If you don't like sweat, you can skip this part, just so you can get an idea how much this sweatband really makes you sweat. I'm going to show you really quickly. Whoa. So it's really, 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 really sweaty. Do you see that? I know that this is gross, but some people like to see that so that they can get an idea of how it really works. That was a lot of sweat, honestly, guys. And like I said, I wasn't going like super hard. My treadmill was set at between 3 and 3.5. I only went up to 4 like once. So honestly, it makes me sweat the most, and I've tried so many other sweatbands in the past. I totally recommend this if you need to sweat. Like me specifically, since I took a break during the holidays, I gained a lot of water weight. So something like this really helps me to lose that water weight quickly, because I didn't gain any fat. What I gained was water weight from eating like an excessive amount of carbs. So this sweatband right here helps me to lose that excess water weight, and I totally recommend it to you guys. And again, this right here, you don't have to buy separately. If you just want to try out to see if it works for you, when you buy this, it comes with the sweat gel. But there might be other ones like this with the same material that work the same. You don't need to get this one, but just in case you want it, I wanted to share it with you guys. And you can find this on Amazon. I'll link it down below in case you guys want it. But I think it really does work, and it's the best one that I've tried. But I think that's the end of today's video. I need to go and cool down and take a shower and relax. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this part, if you like these kinds of videos, then please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Give this video a big thumbs up for me so I know to make more like this. Leave me a comment saying hi, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.